Yes, today's episode. Thank you. We are working on 3304 engine, and this is the parking oil ring. First, put your parking oil ring in. Put it in like this. You'll be very sure that this face of the parking ring is not in line with the face of this ring like this. When you make your parking ring, let me show you something. This is a mark, you see. Then you align these here. Then this side, the opening side, will be at the other side, because if you fix it here together like this, whenever the piston is working, the parking ring will be opening like this, and it can cause damages on the leakage of oil. So you put on your parking ring, this oil parking ring, put it in one, then this the oil ring. See, put on the face here, then this other face, and this oil ring has face. You can see here there is numbers here. Then you put it other side of it. Be sure that the parking ring is in. As you can see now, here is it. You see the mark I'm telling you about here. So further, it's your mid ring. We call it middle ring. This middle ring also, this is crown ring. See, you can see a cut here. So this cut here, you're going to put it like this. This one will face the top here, not back, the top, the middle ring. Fixing it also like this. This is the top ring. Call it top ring, or you call it compressor ring. This is the compressor ring. You see, it's chrome. You are putting it, has also a number, top. You make this top to be up. Understand? Fix it. So now it's complete. The oil ring, the middle ring, and the compressor ring.